So when we have a remainder, we have to write it in a certain form, okay? So when we have a remainder, we write it like this. So I'm going to write it out first, and I'm going to explain. Okay, so we always have our quotient, so that's whatever's on the top, right? We have our remainder, and we put the remainder over the divisor. Okay, the divisor is the thing on the outside. Okay, so let's do a problem. We're only going to do one problem, and then you guys will continue with practice. Okay, so let's say, I'm just going to set it up. So let's say we're trying to determine if x plus 1 is a factor of x to the third plus 5x squared minus 5x minus 8. Okay? We should know how to start this, right? First thing on the inside divided by first thing on the outside. X to the third divided by x gives me x squared. Gonna write that at the top. Gonna multiply the x squared with the x plus 1. So I have x to the third plus x squared. I'm gonna write that underneath. Change the signs because we're subtracting. These cancel out. So I have 4x squared. I'm going to bring down the next term. Same thing. First thing on the inside divided by first thing on the outside. 4x squared divided by x equals 4x. So plus 4x. I'm now going to take the 4x. I'm going to multiply it by what it's on the outside. 4x squared plus 4x. So we have 4x squared plus 4x, right? And then switch the signs. So I have negative 9x. And bring down the next term, minus 8. And then same thing, the last time that we have to do it. First thing on the inside divided by first thing on the outside. So we have negative 9x divided by x. That's actually going to give us negative 9. So I'm going to write minus 9. Going to take that negative 9, multiply by the thing on the outside. So negative 9x minus 9. Write it there. Switch the signs. So both of these negatives now become positives. And look, negative 8 plus 9, that doesn't give you 0. That gives you 1. Okay? Our remainder is 1. Now, because we have a remainder, this means x plus 1 is not a factor, okay? And the way that we write this is we put our remainder over the thing on the outside, the divisor. So this right here is your final answer. Remember, this was the remainder, okay? So go ahead and continue with the practice.